Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Ace Summerlite. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Ace Summerlite women's golf shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 6, US size 8.5, EU size 40, and it's in the white, sail, bright mango, light dew colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside the Nike Ace Summerlite, and of course peeling back the wrapping paper to reveal the golf shoes. And let's lift out the left shoe first, and giving you that 360 look at this Nike Ace Summerlite women's golf shoe in the white sail bright mango light dew colorway. So right there, the 360 rotation for the full and clear view of this women's golf shoe. And just setting the box to the side so we can focus more clearly on the left shoe first. And taking a look up close at the details of this golf shoe. So we can see that the upper has a mesh cover or top layer, and taking a look around the back or heel area to give you some idea of the shape and silhouette of this golf shoe. You can clearly see the Nike branding at the back and on the inner side of the golf shoe. You can see that same consistent mesh upper cover right around the golf shoe and back to the front. And taking a quick look at the sole as well, right there, to give you some idea of the depth and traction or tread of the golf shoe, and of course top down as well. And taking a much closer in look at the details of this Nike Ace Summerlite women's golf shoe. So you can see right there the mesh upper of the golf shoe, and it does have a more rigid or firmer mudguard area just on top of the midsole, and you can see that difference with me just pressing down with my finger on the upper cover on the differences between the mudguard area and of course the toe box area and main upper of this golf shoe. So taking a look from the front or tip of the golf shoe to the back to give you all the details up close of this Nike Ace Summerlite. So all the way right through to the back there is a pull tab at the heel. And around the ankle and heel collar as well. Let's pull out the paper stuffing and just setting that to the side so we have a clearer look at the details of this golf shoe. You can see that it does have a very thin and very soft tongue for this golf shoe. As you can see just how thin that material is, and it does have that micro suede texture to it as well. So really soft and thin, making it very comfortable and light in weight. And taking a look at the inside of the shoe, we can see that it does have a Fitsole liner on the inside. So the Fitsole insert and sock liner. And of course the inner shoe labels as well. So giving you a look right there at the details and overall design of this Nike Ace Summerlite, and to give you some idea of the padding around the ankle and heel collar. As you can see, it does taper in the density of the padding or cushioning around the ankle towards the heel collar. So details right there around the insides of the Nike Ace Summerlite. And a closer up look at the back or heel area as well, with the Nike branding. So you can see right throughout it does have that mesh construction, and of course the thicker or firmer mud guards right around the lower portions of this golf shoe. And to give you some idea, of course, of the eyelets as well, which do have a funky high contrast design and with a liquid light shape as well. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. You can see that it does have blade or teeth-like design for the tread or traction pattern of this golf shoe. So right there you can see those details. And of course it does have these deep channels as well. And right there giving you some sense once again of the depth. And design of the outsole for this Nike Ace Summerlite women's golf shoe. And of course, dragging my finger along the surface, it does have a grippy and very firm texture and construction to that teeth-like traction pattern. So right there, just pressing and pulling down, dragging, and of course tapping on the sole and its various parts to give you some idea of the hardness or softness of this outsole traction design. So right there, giving you a look, just pressing this time with my thumb. And of course the sides as well, the midsole, just pressing on it. We can see that it clearly does have a foam design for the midsole for cushioning. And of course not forgetting the Fitsole insert as well that we saw earlier for the direct cushioning in foot or in shoe. And of course giving you a look right there, once again the Nike Ace Summerlite in the white sail bright mango light dew colorway. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the flexibility, stiffness or firmness of this women's golf shoe. So right there, it does have a very firm sole design. Of course, giving you a look right throughout the various responses of the shoe as I twist, bend, and flex the shoe. So right there, giving an overall look at the Nike Ace Summerlite. So that's the left shoe. Now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe to the side and popping the box back in the middle of the frame and popping the right shoe out. Now taking a look at the right shoe of the Nike Ace Summerlite. So once again, same design and colorway throughout. And I'm just going to tuck the laces back on the left shoe in the background so it's a little bit tidier. So right there, holding the right shoe and giving you once again another look, but this time of course up close with the right shoe. So we can see those same design elements with the teeth or blade-like traction pattern on the outsole of the shoe and the upper mesh cover, and of course the Fitsole insert for cushioning and the micro suede lining on the tongue, as well as the lining around the ankle and heel collar, which has that tapering cushioning towards the back or heel of the shoe with that pull tab as well. And now let's take a look at the pair together. So right there, the Nike Ace Summerlite. And of course, let me pop in the laces and just giving you once again another look right there. And from the front to the back with the pair side by side. And of course the bottoms as well, so the outsoles of the pair of women's golf shoes. So that's the Nike Ace Summerlite. Thanks for watching and happy golfing!